1,000 subscribers within 5 days. How I got 1,000 subscribers within 5 days. It is very important to know that if you want to get monetized, you have to qualify for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. It is very important to know that that is the qualification for monetization. Tips to get 1,000 subscribers very fast. Number one, there is tips and hacks that you can use to get 1,000 subscribers very fast. Number one, upload shorts. It is very important to know that if you want your channel to gain more subscribers very fast, you have to upload shorts. Get more shorts on your channel within 5 to 7 days, maybe three videos, three shorts within a day, 3 shorts within a day. Within 7 days, you get 1,000 subscribers very fast, whereby you will know that you are on the lane for the qualification for monetization within 1,000 subscribers. Yes, that is the first. Upload shorts. Yes, many shorts, and your channel will grow very fast with the more views and the more subscribers. Yes, and you will be very happy. To get 1,000 subscribers very fast is the use of Google Trade. How do you use the Google Trade? Enter on your Chrome, on your studio, or on your Chrome, search for Google Trade. On Google Trade, search for the best trading topics within your country, Kenya, Nigeria, USA, UK, all this country, Canada. Yes, you get what is trading within the country. What topic can you upload on your channel? What is the best videos to come up with? Yes, use of Google Trade. That is number 2. Yes, if you want your channel to skyrocket up to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, that is number 2. Channel, I'm Triza. Please subscribe down below on my channel and you learn more about the tutorials about growth of your YouTube channel. Yes, the third thing that you can skyrocket your channel to get 1,000 subscribers is be consistent. Yes, it is very important to be consistent on your channel. If it's you are uploading a short on Monday or a video on Monday, maybe on Monday upload, on Wednesday upload, on Friday then upload. Yes, be consistent every week, and the YouTube algorithm will be able to locate you and know your audience. So the moment you put your video on your YouTube, they will all know your audience. So the moment you post your videos, they will directly be very fast because you are consistent and you are organized on your channel. So be consistent on uploading your channel, your videos. Yes, be consistent on uploading videos and your channel will skyrocket within no time. Please subscribe on my channel and may God bless you.